Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see how to make pizza. Let's get started. Let's start with the dough. First I am going to activate the yeast. I am using 1 tablespoon of sugar and 11 grams of yeast and 360 milliliters of warm water. Mix them well and keep it close for 10 minutes to activate the yeast. Until yeast ready, let's prepare the flour. Adding 480 grams of all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. Little bit of garlic powder and oregano, and mix them well. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and the flour mixture into the yeast. Then mix them well. Now it's time for the kneading. First sprinkle some flour to the kneading board. Then knead the mixture for 8 to 10 minutes. In between I am adding 2 more tablespoons of flour. Make sure you knead continuously until dough becomes smoother. Look at the way I am kneading today. Don't drag the dough too much while kneading pizza dough. Then add some olive oil to the bowl and keep it closed until dough size become double. Approximately you have to keep it closed for 1 hour. Let's move on to the pizza sauce until dough is ready. First heat up 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Then add 4 cloves of garlic. Some ginger and let them fry. Now add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Some chopped capsicum and fry them little bit. Then add 200 grams of chopped tomatoes. Salt as per taste. Black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon. Oregano 1 teaspoon. Thyme 1 teaspoon. Basil 1 teaspoon and mix them well. Now add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 3/4 tablespoon of sugar. Mix them and keep it closed for 10 minutes until cooked. It's time to take out from the stove and let it cool down for 10 minutes. Then blend the cooked ingredients well until you get the paste as seen in the video. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce and cook again in medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes to get thick sauce. Now it's time for the final preparation. Apply some olive oil or butter to the pizza pan. Now take out the dough and then flatter it by using the hands. At this moment I would like to know from which city or country you are joining with me, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. Then divide it to equal pieces and make round shape balls. If you still watching the video and if you like more baking recipes, comment below, as I love baking. Then flatter the pieces using the hands. If you've seen my videos for the first time, don't forget to follow me on the Facebook, like and share the video, that will help me greatly. Now add the dough into the pizza pan and flatter it to get the pizza shape. Push out from the center so edges will be thicker than the center. Preheat your oven for 5 minutes in 200 Celsius. Then bake the dough for 3 to 4 minutes in 180 Celsius, and this is optional. First spread the pizza sauce. Then some mozzarella cheese. And some bell pepper. And pre-cooked sausages. Now some onion rings. Chopped green chilies. And more pizza sauce if needed. Finally, another layer of mozzarella cheese. Now bake the pizza for about 20 to 25 minutes in 180 Celsius. If you are using conventional oven, you may have to change the heat between top and bottom time to time. See how nice this pizza looks. You can use any kind of toppings as you like and enjoy with your family. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Thank you for watching the recipe. A hug and see you in the next recipe. Thank you.